Hi guys, hi everyone. Today I am going to explain a division trick. It is very important in our daily life and also very important in competitive examinations. This trick reduces the time of solving the problem. That means division problem. Actually, we we are dividing a number by another number by using current method, current regular method. But our Vedic mathematics given 16 sutras and also some sub sutras. Among those 16 sutras, one sutra is the Paravartya Sutra. This Paravartya Sutra gives us very simple trick to divide any number by two digit number. It is very important and also very important in the examination, competitive examinations, and you can get more marks and also you reduces the time, and in time you can complete the competitive examination. And today I am explaining about this Paravartya Sutra. By using this Paravartya Sutra, we can divide a number by any two digit numbers. You see here, I taken three examples. These three examples are different in different ways are there. After listening this total video of solving these three problems, you can get some idea and also you can practice some more problems. Then you can do the division in one line and also in 5 seconds. This type of divisions you can do in one line and also in 5 seconds. But our current method is I'm giving here. Once you see this current method is very long and maybe we can get some errors also, and also it takes much time. But Vedic method given one sutra, Paravartya Sutra, by using this we can solve this. That means we can divide these numbers by given numbers in 5 seconds and also in one line. Okay, and before I'm going to explain, I'm respecting, requesting you that please subscribe our channel and also click on the bell symbol to receive new videos or new updates. Okay, you remember to subscribe our channel, and also if you like this video, please like the video and also share to your friends. Okay, the first example, this one, 157584 divided by 42, divided by 42. Okay, now you see here 1,57,584 divided by 42. Here in this division we need not to by heart 42 table. Just we need to know 1 to 9 tables. If we know 1 to 9 tables, we can do these divisions in one line only after some practices. Okay, in 5 seconds only we can do this. Okay, how we can do? We are dividing this number by 42. So 42 will take like this 4. That means tens place digit we take here, and units place digit down of it you write, down of 4 you write, smaller than that means in size smaller than 4. Okay, we written here, and we separate the ones place digit of this dividend. Okay, so this one reminders place will come here, and we separate it by using one drawing one line or slash. Okay, now we take one is not going in 4 table, we take 4 table only, so one is not going in 4 table. That is why what we can do, next to digit also we take next to digit, that means it becomes 15. Okay, it becomes 15, and now How many times going in 4 table? 4 3 ja. So write here 3. 4 3 ja 12. To subtract 15 minus 12. How much it is? It is 3. 15 minus 12, 3. Okay, this 3 write before 7. Next digit. Before the next digit 7. And it becomes 37. 37. Okay. Now it is very important step. That one space digit in the divisor is 2. By using this 2, you multiply this one 3. 2 3 is 6. You subtract 6 from 37. That means you subtract 6 from this 37, and then we can get 31. Okay. So here 31. Here how much is there here? 31 only is. So 31 how many times going in 4 table? 7 times. 4 7 is 28. Just you write and subtract. 31 minus 28 is 3. Okay. This 3 right before 5. Okay. Then it becomes 35. 35. Okay. Now 2 into 7. You multiply 2 7 is 14. Right. You subtract 14 from 35, and then we can get 21. 21. This 21 how many times going in 4 table? 5 times. 4 5 is 20. 4 5 is 20. So here the remainder is 1. This one should write before 8. Then it becomes 18. So 18 how many times going in 4 table? 4 4 is 8. Okay, 18. After that this 2 into 5. 2 5 is 10. We should write here and subtract it. This is 8 only. Okay. Now you divide 8 by 4. 4 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8. You subtract it. Then it becomes 0. This is 0 only. So 0 should write here before 4. So it becomes 4 only. And then 2 2 is 2 2 is how much? 4. You multiply this 2 and this 2. 2 2 is 4. So what we can get here? 0. So this 0 is a remainder, and this one is answer. This is answer. Okay. Therefore 157584 divided by 42 is equal to 3752. This is the answer. Is it correct or not? We can check by using calculator once you watch this. That is second example. Dividend is equal to 4040. Here also the same, we have to write the divisor 65 like this, and you separate the units place digit from dividend, and then here first we take this 2 only. 2 is not going in 6 table, that is why take 22, and 22 how many times going in 6 table? 6 3 is 18 and 6 4 is 24. So 6 3 is 18, and you subtract 4 we can get. This 4 you write before this 2. These 2 digits completed, and the next 2 there. This 2 before 4 you write, and then it becomes 42. And now this important step is this here 5. Units place digit of divisor is 5. 5 into this 3. 5 3 is 15. You subtract it. 7 and 2. 27. This 27 how many times going in 6 table? 6 4 is 24. And subtract it. 3. This 3 you write before this 4. So it becomes 34. 34. Okay, next what? 5 4 ja 20. 5 4 ja 20. And uh, it is 14. 14 how many times going in 6 table? 6 2 ja 12. To subtract it, 2 we can get. This 2 right before this 0 and it becomes 20. And next to 6, this 5 into 2. 5 2 ja 10 and subtract it. Then we can get 10. 10 here and 10. And now this 10 how many times going in 6 table? 6 1 ja 6 and here 4. And now this 4 you write before 4 and it becomes 44. Next to this 44, this 5 1 ja 5 you write here and subtract it, 39. Next to this 39 how many times going in 6 table? 6 6 ja 36 and that means 3 remaining 3 is there and this 3 you write here. Okay, remaining 3 here and you write here 3 and it becomes 30. Now 5 6 ja 5 6 ja 30 and it is 0. That means remainder is 0. So the answer is 2 triple 2 4040 divided by 65 is equal to 34216. This is the answer. Once we have to check whether it is correct or not by using calculator. Yes, absolutely it is correct. And next, let us take third example. This third example is very important. It gives us decimal number. Answer is decimal number. That is why you have to listen careful. The number is 11089 divided by 52. So write 52 like this and you separate one's place digit. Now you take these two digits, 5 2 ja 10. 5 2 ja 10. You subtract it and 1 you write here before 0. And now 2 2 ja 4. 10 minus that means it becomes 10. 10 minus 2 2 ja 4. It is 6. So 6 how many times going in 5 table? 1 ja only. 5 1 ja 5. So 1 remain. This one you write before 8. So it becomes 8. And next to 2 1 ja 2. You subtract it 16. And now 16 how many times going in 5 table? 5 3 ja 15. 5 3 ja 15. And 1 should write before this 9. So up to here this one completed and now here point will start. Here point will start because of after slash we are taking this digit. So it is 19. It becomes 19 and you multiply 2 3 is 6. You subtract it. This is 13. Okay, 13 how many times going in 5 table? 2 ja. That means 13 2 ja that means 5 2 ja 10. 3 this 3 you write before this 0. Here after point we can give any how many zeros we need, that many zeros we can write here, we can put here, no problem. So 0 we taken before 0, this 3 we written and it becomes 30. And now 2 2 ja 4, you subtract it 26. Okay, this 26 how many times going in 5 table? 5 5 ja 5 5 ja 25 and 1 you write 1 before this one more 0 you have to write and it becomes a 0. 10 and next this 2 into 5, 2 5 is 10, so here subtraction 0, so here 0 will come. Okay, now the answer is 11089 divided by 52 is equal to 213.25. After in decimals, after 25 there is a 0, need not to write that one. So this is the answer. Once we have to check in the calculator. Yes, it is absolutely correct answer. Okay, if you like this video and this trick, Vedic mathematics trick, Paravartya Sutra, please like the video and also subscribe our channel. Click on the bell symbol to receive new updates and new videos, and also share to your friends and family members or relatives to grow our channel, and also uh, who need who needs the mathematics tricks, you will help them. Okay, thank you everyone.